It's a beautiful day in Seattle. It's 8:04 in the morning, and I thought I'd talk about the tools I used in the 60 years that I've been in the arts. I'd start with the oldest tool I think I have, which is a mat knife. I used it to carve woodcuts in 1963. But by 1973, I had accumulated more sophisticated tools, including authentic bimetal woodcut tools imported from Japan. We'll go back to the studio now and I'll see if I can lay all these. There it is, a woodcut. I used a mat knife, one of the oldest tools in my collection. And this is the plate. It's actually been, a gold leaf has been applied to it. That's a long story in itself. And that's the print from this block with an old mat knife. I had a gouge too. And it's significant to know that the tool I'm holding in my hand right now is a really important tool that I'm using today. There's a whole bunch of stuff about the digital media. Okay, I'll see you after breakfast. And today, the most important kind of digital media I'm using is the 3D printing press. It's a printing press that you can use to print the parts for a printing press. I love that. Circularity or recursivity. This is the etching press I have that I'm working on in progress. And it goes together like this. I've got a turning wheel designed and printed. So when it's finished, it'll have a bed that goes back and forth, and the wheels go round and round, and it'll make etchings of artist trading card size and artist stamps and miniatures like that. And it's great for games and great for a teacher in a jar, which is my main project these days, the printmaking teacher in a jar.